Hi, my name is Marcos Perez. I did my windows for my whole house, high impact with FHIA. My windows were leaking water, and for sure air was leaving the house, so I wanted to get high impact windows and doors to also protect my family and also for energy and efficiency. I walked into BJ's and a representative came up to me and asked me if I needed to do any home improvements. And I've always wanted to upgrade my windows and doors in my house to protect my family and for energy efficiency. I decided to go with BJ's and FHIA because I wanted to go with somebody big and reputable. They gave me lifetime warranty. So if anything happened to my windows during a storm, they would come out and replace my windows or door, if God forbid something happened to my door. And also if the latch or anything happens to my windows or doors, I had that guarantee that they would fix it. So that gave me peace of mind, and that they're a reputable company, that tomorrow I pick up the phone and they'll be around. FHIA did a wonderful job in my house. Very happy with what they've done. You can see the windows, they're beautiful, they're custom made, they're taller than me, they're over 72 inches tall. They used to be jealousy windows, those old windows. It gives me peace of mind if a storm's coming. I don't have to put the shutters up, I don't have to worry about anything. I highly recommend FHIA for high impact windows and doors. They're very professional, they're very straightforward, they explain everything from A to Z. My project was windows and doors because I've pretty much done a lot of things in my house. This was one of the last projects from my home. And like I said, the windows are beautiful and I'm very happy with the team.